Respected correspondents, Madam Directors, dear Principals and Heads, teachers of Wales Group of Schools and teachers elsewhere in the country, last but not least, my beloved students. I feel glad and take pride to greet every one of you during this Teachers' Day celebration as a teacher among you. I once again wish a very happy Teachers' Day. Dr. Radhakrishnan, one of the greatest teachers whose birthday we celebrate as Teachers' Day, once said, "Until and unless we have dedicated and committed teachers who can take teaching as a mission in their lives, we can't have a good educational system. Teachers should be the best minds of the country. Respect for the teachers can't be ordered, it must be earned. His heart should be the lamp of knowledge, burning bright all the time. His conduct should be simple and ambition noble. His river of wisdom shouldn't become stagnant, instead should flow like pure water. He should work hard, broad-minded and innovative." These few valuable words are the best summary of the qualities to be possessed by a teacher to promote the great mission of teaching and strengthen the power of the educational system in the country. India is a country where many great teachers were living and guiding the people in the right path to achieve an equitable, free and liberated society in an idealistic way as per their dreams. We have a rich and vivid heritage of great teachers who continue to live in people's mind and heart. Lord Buddha for liberating man from desires, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa for enlightenment, Vivekananda for motivating young minds, Thiruvalluvar for his kurals which could not be quenched by time, Mahatma Gandhi for showing the world the way of ahimsa, satyagraha and non-violence, Rabindranath Tagore for paving the way for modern day education, Savitri Phule for spreading awareness about women education, Dr. Ambedkar for writing the Indian Constitution, and in modern times Mahakavi Bharati and Bharatidasan for their reviving and spirited poems. Dr. Abdul Kalam for his contribution in the aerospace research and motivation he instilled among the students and the youth. Like this, the list stretches. These people had a dream for a pluralistic and idealistic society and were often sharing their peace of mind in various forms, either as sermons, poems, quotes or written forms, and they walked their lives, their talks, and they showed their satisfaction when their disciples achieved success in life or people walk according to their ideals. We being the teachers today also share the same kind of role and responsibility as a guide, counselor, friend, role model, a lifetime mentor and a source of inspiration to our students. A teacher is a game changer, change of agent of the society. A classroom contains a heterogeneous group of students from diverse background, children having different degrees of abilities, but an effective teacher reads the mind of the child and reaches the content to every child's understanding. A teacher needs to have empathy towards their children. A teacher needs to build the moral sense in the minds of the child. Good habits, manners and respecting others are the essential qualities to be imbibed in the minds of children. The heart of the nation today calls for good teachers. It becomes inexorably important for teachers to resurrect from their gloomy, unimpressive ways of teaching, sharpen their teaching tools and make teaching more dynamic, interesting and meaningful. A teacher needs to be a lifelong learner. The day the learning stops, he becomes obsolete and a stumbling block to the students' development for tomorrow. The education system of 21st century has undergone a paradigm shift from teacher-centered approach to the learner-centered approach. There is integration of technology in every sector. The learner today is more matured and well informed than the learners in the past. Rote learning has no value and education depends on thinking skills, information and communication skills, interpersonal relationship, maintaining skills, technical know-how and basic life skills. A learner today has to come out as a multi-skilled and learned personality to meet the needs of the industry. He must have a readiness to learn the things which comes in his way. So a teacher must be equipped with these skills and the ability to show the resources available elsewhere in the media. Today, textbooks have become simple learning tools. Critical thinking, communication skills, collaborative attitude and creativity are the skills which are going to decide the future of the students. If we teach today as we taught yesterday, we rob our children of tomorrow. Hence, be a planner of this 21st century career. Transform yourself into a digital instructor for different ways of learning. The 21st century teacher knows the mixing knowledge with an expert collaborator makes the student motivated. They know how to enjoy the work and how to make the lesson enjoyable. The teacher needs to learn how to read the psychology and what the student wants and keep knowledge of the latest changes in the subject. The duty of the teacher now is to teach the students how to validate the information that floods around the society or the floods around everywhere in different social media. So the teacher must know how to combine technology, pedagogy and the content which will ensure real world problem solving and cooperative learning. A balanced combination of questioning skills and practical based learning experiences ensure them the real time learning. A 21st century teacher needs to be a genuine predictor and knows the importance of acquisition based learning and participatory learning. They can manage knowledge, skills and attitudes and how to bring knowledge in real time. They provide opportunities for questioning and provide feedback in real time. To be perceived as a best teacher, teachers should make the special efforts that can motivate the students to perform at the best of their capacity under a working relationship, develop their habits, attitudes, thus proving their self-concepts. Every day in teaching is going to be a new day with new experiences, with more satisfaction and new dreams, with new heights. Let more and more dedicated gurus come into the teaching scenario. More than that, let more and more better disciples be formed, and above all, the best society be formed. Once again, I wish all my teachers a happy and rewarding Teachers' Day. Thank you.